It's a new week, and I thought I'd share with you the projects our Governor of Ebonyi State, Governor Francis Nwifuru, has completed, and some of the projects that he's still working on, that is still ongoing in his 1 year and 8 months in office. Despite what some might say about his performance so far, there's plenty to talk about. Here are some of the ongoing and finished projects that are making a real difference in Ebonyi State. 1. Civil service improvement. Right from the start, the governor made sure our civil servants in Ebonyi State were looked after. He paid gratuities totaling over 5 billion naira to retirees from 1996 to 2023. Plus, he introduced a policy where civil servants start processing their retirement document 3 months before leaving, ensuring they receive their dues right on time. On top of that, he recruited 1,700 new employees and even handed out Christmas bonuses of 100,000 naira in 2023 and 150,000 naira in 2024. 2. Transportation enhancement. To ease the burden of daily commute, the government procured 400-seater CNG buses. These buses help workers and students get to their destinations without hassle, especially during these challenging economic times. We cannot remember that. At number 3 is healthcare initiatives. In Ebonyi State, it has become a benchmark for innovative healthcare. The governor has recruited 195 medical professionals, doctors, nurses, lab scientists, pharmacists, and health attendants to work in general hospitals. New ambulances have been provided for emergencies, and every doctor now enjoys an SUV and a monthly allowance of 150,000 naira. Additionally, free healthcare is now available for over 60,000 vulnerable individuals, including pregnant women, children under 5, and the elderly in Ebonyi State. In a groundbreaking move, every state civil servant now benefits from free health insurance. Moving on to the fourth project is education reforms. In education aspects, the governor is leaving no stone unturned. He has sponsored 204 students for their master's and doctorate degrees in the United Kingdom, while over 500 students are pursuing advanced degrees in Nigerian universities. Funding for Ebonyi State University has almost doubled. Salaries for academic staff have increased, and school fees have been reduced by 10%. Moreover, first-class graduates receive automatic employment or scholarships, while a substantial boost has been given to Ebonyi State College of Education, Iko. This is really massive. Before I move on, I know it's very clear that some of us don't even know that these are the things that Governor Francis Nwifuru has done so far in Ebonyi State. In as much as to some people he is not doing enough, well, he still deserves some credit for the ones he has done so far, right? Moving on to the fifth spot, water and infrastructure projects. Water supply has been a major focus, with 5 water schemes now in operation, including the Ezulo Water Treatment Plant and Oferigwe Water Scheme. The construction of reservoirs like the Iboko and the Hilltop Juju Hill Reservoir is progressing, ensuring a stable water supply for various communities. Just last week, he announced that there is water supply in major areas in Abakaliki, and that people living in specific areas where this water supply is now seen should identify themselves. Moving to the sixth spot is industrial and economic revitalization. Understanding the importance of putting past investment to good use, the government has revitalized key industries. The Ebonyi State Pipe Production Company is back in business full-time. They've started producing pipes back to back and are currently selling. So if you are in need of quality pipe, kindly go to the Ebonyi State Pipe Production Company located in Iziango. Also, the state's pulverization plant has been reactivated to support the Waste to Wealth initiative. The transport company also, Ebotrans, has also been upgraded with new buses, making travel cheaper and more efficient. We all are seeing all of this happening in Ebonyi State. At number 7 is agriculture boost. Agriculture in Ebonyi State is thriving thanks to increased support for farmers. Thousands of farm inputs and aids have been distributed, and the purchase of 15 brand new tractors has boosted rice production, among other agricultural activities. At number 8, rural roads and housing development. Significant investments have been made in rural infrastructure, with over 700 kilometers of roads either completed or underway. The state-of-the-art flyover at Banko Junction and bordered housing projects like Izo and Amanze are improving daily life and creating better living conditions for many. At number 9, power and sports. The governor has also converted most of our gas-powered street lights to solar, cutting down on maintenance costs like promoting environmental sustainability. While in sports, Ebonyi State now boasts its own football club, Abakaliki Football Club, competing in the Nigerian National League. Moving on to number 10, ensuring peace and stability. Above all, the governor has maintained peace peace and stability across the state, which is essential for growth and development. His comprehensive approach, focusing not only on infrastructure but also on meeting the immediate needs of the people, has set Ebonyi on a path to sustainable progress. In all, Governor Francis Nwifuru has shown through this project that his administration is all about meeting the needs of the people, whether it's enhancing healthcare, boosting education, improving transportation, or revitalizing industries. The progress in Ebonyi State speaks for itself. Let's give credit to where it's due. These are the steps that are building a brighter future for us all, right? It's a new year 2025. Let's just hope it does something more better. Well, for now, we're still giving him kudos for the ones he has done so far. This is Faith Gallo reporting from Ebonyi People TV.